What's that, Mika? What's that? Let's go this way. Come on, everybody. Are you having a siesta by the tree? There's Mini-Me. Of course, there they go after each other. They are so cute together. Are you guys playing hide and seek? Here comes Mika. Mini-Me. Come on, Mini-Me. Mini-Me. Come on, Mini-Me. Where's your sister? Where's Mika? There she is. Mika.